there. This is how we charge or tune up the AC, the consumer. So if you can see here, we have two pressure gauge. Now the gas will be sucked out and through this line, and there will be line cleaning, and if there's any oil less, it will be filled also in the compressor, or that's what being said too. So let's see how much gas we can recover and how things work. बॉस आप ये उस पर क्लीनर तो डाल दो ना वेपोरेटर में क्लीनर डाल दो ना। अच्छा थोड़ी देर उसको छोड़ते नहीं कि नीचे जाए वो क्लीन करे। So I'm getting two procedure here. Number one is AC tuning. I have a problem with my AC, so temperature is really hot. It's around 45 degrees Celsius. And when my car gets low or I just stuck in the traffic as usual, so AC cooling started to reduce, or sometime AC is turned off. So I have to wait for 5 minutes and then turn on the AC. So what I did, after searching up, I decided to go with the car AC tuning. So I checked my car first if there's any leakage. So the procedure will find if there's any leakage in the line, and then it will suck out all the gas from the compressor and flush the line, AC line, and then also fill up the compressor oil if there's any oil, if there's any oil less. So I think the procedure will take around 20 to 25 to 30 minutes. I'm not sure, but this is supposedly how the guys are saying. So I'm just recording this video so to see that how it's being. This is the machine here next, and this will perform all the operations. It's good thing is that it's automatic, so no manual intervention is required. You're going to connect the blue and red pressure gauge for the compressor, which is one is at the lower end and another one is the higher end, and then we start the procedure. So now it's in recovery mode, and I think it's recovering the gas here. If you see, it is now recovering the gas. And then there is a vacuum, and then there's a charging of AC and the oil if there's anything. So there's a 3-cycle recovery, vacuum, and then charge. Charge means that if there's any gas less, the system gonna fill it up, top it up, and also for the compressor oil. I hope this is the issue. There's no other issue with my car. That's what I'm thinking, or I'm at least hoping for it. So let's stay with me and see how things work here. And by the way, this car uses R134. So it's a supplement or additive of the Freon. It's not a Freon, but a derivative of Freon, which is supposedly environmental friendly. So meanwhile, if you hear something, I'm just talking to the technician to get some information. By the way, this is the machine. I do not see anything for the gas or the filling, but they say they have these things here. By the way, why I'm recording this video, I tried to search on the YouTube or some other channels, but I couldn't find any video for that. I saw some people were just filling up the Furion in the car, but that was it. But there was no such kind of a test that will help you or tell you how the things will be there. So this is a must-watch video for you if you have an issue with your car and wanted to go for the tuning. So I will just record the video and I will check my car after the refilling. Hopefully it will be fine, but for how long I have no idea. I hope that it's gonna be fine at least in 3 to 4 months so that I get by the summer at least. So as you see now, the recovery is around 840 gram of the gas, and the same will go for the oil. I think it has a 1 kilogram of gas supposedly, not sure, but let's see. I'll pause the video now and we'll paste it once we have something new.